Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover encapsulation in Java. In Java, encapsulation helps in data hiding. That means when some other class will create an instance of this class which uses encapsulation, that other class cannot directly read and write variable values of this class, but through some public methods of this class. To achieve encapsulation, we declare the variables of the class as private. To assign variable values, we create some public methods in the class. These methods are called setters in Java. To read variable values, we create some public methods in the class. These methods are called getters in Java. When some other class will create an instance of the person class, it cannot directly assign variable values like this. To assign variable values, it need to use the public setter methods of the person class. Similarly, to read variable values of the person class, we need to use the public getter methods of the person class. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.